One day they had to wait for Henry's train, which made Thomas very cross.
How can I run my line properly if Henry is always late? He doesn't realize that Sir Topham Hatt depends on me.
Thomas whistled impatiently. He wanted to leave, but he had to wait for Henry's passengers.
1 hour later. 2 hours later. 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
At last, Henry came. Where have you been, Lazybones? Asked Thomas. Oh dear, my system is out of order. No one understands my case. You don't know what I suffer, moaned Henry.
Rubbish, said Thomas. You're too slow. You need exercise.